Tired of eating that same old boring pasta salad? Spruce up that recipe with fresh avocados. This Southwest pasta salad has always been a family favorite, but I gotta admit, it wasn't that exciting until I added fresh avocados. Did you know that avocados have nearly 20 nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients? They are heart healthy and also contain a good source of fiber, which makes you feel full and stay satisfied longer. My secret for freshening up this family favorite is adding avocado to the ranch dressing. And this is an easy blender recipe. Just combine 1 cup of ranch dressing, 1 medium ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Next, combine your pasta noodles, corn, diced tomatoes, cilantro, and chopped avocados. Add the avocado ranch dressing and toss to combine. You can serve this immediately, or you can place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes before serving. Doesn't that look amazing? I'm telling you, if you want to add a little excitement to your recipes, just add in some fresh avocados. You get a fruit, good fats, and fiber. I also love this avocado ranch as a dip or dressing for other salads and bowls. Enjoy!